What's up, guys? Welcome back. If you realize this is the same place where I filled the mountain tree, I was watching my iPad peacefully, and my mom comes all of a sudden and screams, "Come outside! Come outside!" Okay, I came outside. It's just a dust storm. You can see it's dust. You can see up there, it's all dust. And I think it's raining all over there. I think it's raining. I know, but I mean, look over there. That's moving. Oh, God. Oh, that's moving. Hey, my brother came.
But there's no water drop.
Yeah. So, that's all for the video, guys. Goodbye. What?